Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will show you how to manage location settings on Windows 11. Controlling location access is important for privacy and security, and it also helps you manage which apps can use your location. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Next, in the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand side menu. Then, scroll down until you see the Location option and click on it. Here, you will find a master switch that allows you to turn location services on or off for your entire system. Also, you have the option to enable or disable location access individually for each app according to your preferences. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.